Aloha and welcome to 1171 Akipola Street in the coveted area of Kailua. This home is going to boast 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and over 3,000 square feet. And it's been upgraded and it's just ready for its new owner. Come on in and check it out. My favorite things about this property is the view behind me. So all I can think is after a long day of work, whether you're cooking dinner or you're relaxing in your living room or even from your dining room, you've got this amazing view that's both the mountains and the lakes with surrounding Kailua area around you. And it just seems like such a peaceful way to end the day, to soak in the views and get that really Hawaiian experience. As an avid hiker, I could not imagine getting to start the day with a cup of coffee out on this lanai with these amazing mountains behind you. We have to work so hard to get views like that, and just to be able to step out right here and look at that backdrop, oh, spectacular. Don't want to be cramped, this is the shower for you. Look how much space is in here. You've got the shower head coming from down above, and then you've got extra here, and wow, you're just definitely got all the room you need. Interested in viewing this amazing 5-bedroom, 3-bath house in Kailua listed under $2 million, reach out to me to schedule a private showing today. Mahalo.